Hi, this is Marizete Browne from the Property Hats NYC Team. Today we are bringing to you a very nice studio in the Upper West Side. Look at this. Oh yes, exposed brick. Very nice. Shiny floors. Behind these mirrors you have a Murphy bed and lots of storage space. As you see, many drawers. You have a kitchen with full-size refrigerator as well as the stove. Nice and clean bathroom. You have two closets. This place feels so homey. It's very quiet, sunny. You are nearby Central Park. It's very clean, very peaceful. And of course you have Zay bars with great food very near you. And the beautiful Central Park for you to walk, bring your dog and relax. So for more details, contact us, the Property Hats NYC Team, and let's see this place. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.